found a bunch of fresh elk tracks leaving the highway. Oh, maybe 15 minutes ago. We're on their tracks. We got a glimpse of the elk coming off the hillside right there. We're almost out of shoot line, but we're also approaching the meadow where I think they might be. She's 300 yards. You can make that shot sitting. Put your back against that tree. Dial for 300. Okay, you better take her. Take her. Hold on. Let me stop her. Better shoot her. I don't know. How did the shot feel?
In the middle. And I think right behind the shoulder, it may have been a little forward.
A little forward at the crease.
Maybe.
Okay. That's okay. Let's go have a look. Okay, so happened fast. The elk had busted us and we're standing, started to take off. I cow called. She stopped and Cheyenne shot. Thinks it felt fairly good, but we're not sure. There she is. Cheyenne made a perfect shot. 300 yards, 302 yards. That elk didn't go 30. Wow. What a fast-paced hunt, huh? I bet you didn't expect this when we got in the truck an hour ago. Nice. That's late season. Meat for the freezer, cow elk hunting for you. That's one of the bigger cows I've seen on the ground. Nice work, Cheyenne. Well, it's the next morning. Cheyenne and I are packing in with the horses to haul out our elk. It's a beautiful day, a little bit overcast, a little bit chilly.